Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to use the U.S. Marine Corp Film Repository website. The website contains films from 1944 to the 1980s with a couple in the 90s, which footage from World War II, the Korean War, and the Vietnam War. Also included are peacetime films of training, testing, and public relations activities, such as this video from Camp Pendleton in California that showcases ceremonies for women Marines. To access the website, first open your internet browser and in the top bar type digital.library.sc.edu/Marine Corps. Then press the Enter key on your keyboard. This should take you directly to the University of South Carolina's Marine Corp Film Repository page. Once the page opens, you'll see Film. To watch a film, click on Watch the Films. This will bring up a list of available videos. Each film has a title, sometimes a short description, and a small thumbnail picture. To play one, simply click on the title or the thumbnail. The film will open in a new window or video player. Now let's try searching. Scroll up to the options bar again and select Watch the Films. Now find the heading, Browsing United States Marine Corps Film Collection. Click inside on the box next to the word search. Type a keyword, and then press the search button. A list of films related to your keyword will appear. You can scroll through the results and click on the one you want to view. And that's it! You now know how to get to the Marine Corps Film Repository website.